Hello guys, this is my other project. I'm gonna be sanding these. I think they're oak. They're some kind of wood um, chairs, and so I have 4 of them, and I'm gonna be sanding today and getting them ready to varnish them. They really need a lot of work. I washed them with soap and water because they were really bad. I can still see that I need to sand them still. So I haven't sanded them, so hopefully everything else comes off after that, and then I will varnish them. So now that I already sand and also dust them off, I'm going to use this wood stain, and it's a golden oak stain to stain the chairs. So when I'm finished, you'll see how it looks. So now I'm starting to do the legs first, and then I'm gonna flip it over. Okay, so the one on your left, on my left here that I'm pointing to, is the varnished one. So this one is finished, and this one on the right it still needs some work. As you can see, I'm comparing both of them. One is done and this one needs to be varnished. So the before and after results. So yeah, so now I'm gonna do that one. So the first one is finished. Okay guys, this is the finished look of the chairs after I varnish it. It came out really nice, and it's dry. So now I'm gonna add some padding to it just to stage it, so you'll see how pretty they look. So all the varnish is dry and the chairs look new again. They got the refreshed look and it came out really nice. So you can basically choose any chair padding that you like, the patterns to add to your decor. So this is the ones that I chose, and the chairs are ready to be used around your table. So thanks for watching, and click the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.